Hi folks, good morning. After a big snowstorm, I bet you were driving to work today and noticed, guess what? I got some vibration in my car, probably around anywhere between 80 to 110. You probably got this thun 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 thun, very steering wheel's moving, everything's going. So what I thought I'd do is show you what's going on, why, and not to panic. So first of all, we're going to look at this car on the lot because these are the first things that happen every time. Looking at this car on the lot, this is a beautiful A35 design package, but the minute you go for a test drive in this, guess what's going to happen? You're going to see this. And you'll see it on the back wheels as well. These little pieces, look at the ice in there, guys. Look at that. Now, and now that you're driving home and you feel the vibration, a test drive, it can happen as well. So what I always tell people to do is just double check your car. Don't panic. Don't blame the car. It's fine. There's lots of cars going to have this issue. It could be gunked in, packed in, really heavy. Don't worry about it. And because we're not going to worry about it, all we're going to do, take some warm water in a bucket or even a hose. I would say warm water in a bucket, much easier this time of year because we don't have the hoses hooked up. But just spray the wheel well. Throw some warm water in there, it'll fall off. Just throw it in, go inside, stay warm, then go back out and knock it out. Just make sure that you get rid of that snow, and guess what? You'll be fine. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.